Welcome to Bestsellers Market, your ultimate destination for discovering the top-rated and best-selling products on Amazon. I'm thrilled to have you with us today. In this episode, we're diving into the world of purse making, showcasing the top products that every enthusiast and professional needs to know about. Get ready for an exciting countdown of the best-selling purse-making products on Amazon. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, these must-have items are sure to inspire your creativity and elevate your craft. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 10 on our list of the best-selling purse-making accessories on Amazon is the Women Purse Strap Extender Chain. This product is all about versatility and style. Imagine transforming your ordinary handbag into a statement piece with just a simple addition. Originating from China, this imported accessory promises not only durability, but also an exquisite touch to your everyday look. Now let's dive into the details. The package includes 4 unique styles: a heart-shaped extender measuring 17 centimeters, a delightful strawberry at 14.5 centimeters, elegant pearls at 15 centimeters, and a charming flower design at 15.6 centimeters. These extenders are not just functional, but also serve as adorable decorative charms that can complement various bag styles. Crafted from high-quality metal and fine craftsmanship, these extenders are built to last. The strawberry and flower parts are meticulously made using a dripping oil process, adding an exquisite touch to your daily ensemble. Designed with both fashion and functionality in mind, these extenders feature classic and trendy designs. Each comes equipped with 2 heart-shaped or round buckles at both ends, making them incredibly easy to install and remove. Despite their sturdy build, these extenders are lightweight and compact, ensuring they won't add any extra burden to your bag. They extend the length of your purse chain strap, allowing you to DIY most handbags or shoulder bags, making your bag not only more practical, but also more attractive. The wide application of these extenders is another highlight. With their elegant and heavy design, they enhance the distinctive look of your bag and elevate your personal style. Whether as a gift for a girlfriend, partner, or female friend, these extenders offer a beautiful way to create DIY exquisite bags. So, if you're looking to give your handbag a fresh, stylish upgrade, the Women Purse Strap Extender Chain is the perfect accessory to add to your collection. Number 9 on our countdown of the best-selling purse-making accessories on Amazon is the Nefela Beta Purse Strap. This isn't just any strap. It's a statement piece designed to elevate your handbag experience. Crafted from top-grain cowhide, this strap is built to last. The ends are reinforced with multiple layers of stitching and secured with copper-colored metal buckle nails. No matter the weight, up to a 50-pound pull, this strap holds firm. The copper-colored metal button, cast as a single solid piece, ensures a tight fit and features a 360-degree rotatable head to prevent annoying knots. Plus, it's durable, waterproof, and rust-proof, designed to withstand the test of time. But let's talk style. The Nefela Beta strap stands out with its elegant retro patterns and exquisite embroidery Jacquard craftsmanship. The metal retro brown flowers design pairs effortlessly with bags and clothing of various colors, adding a touch of sophistication to your look. The stylish cowhide ends and metal accents transform ordinary bags into unique and charming accessories. Comfort is key, and this strap delivers. The cotton Jacquard embroidered material is breathable and fits comfortably with your clothes, minimizing slippage and damage. Its 2-inch width spreads the load across your shoulders and neck, making it ideal for extended use. This strap doesn't just enhance your bag, it complements your rough, fashionable temperament. Adjustability is another highlight. With a strong bronze sliding lock, this strap is fully adjustable from 30 to 51 inches, making it suitable for a wide range of bags, crossbody, satchels, gym bags, and more. It's the perfect unisex gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because. And remember, Nefela Beta is unique. We've seen imitations, but none match our quality. If you encounter any issues with your strap, such as damage or incorrect quantities, reach out to us. We're here to provide you with the exclusive service you deserve. So if you're ready to add a touch of luxury and practicality to your bag, the Nefela Beta purse strap is the accessory you need. Number 8 in our countdown of top-selling purse-making products on Amazon is the Bag Extender Chain Purse Strap Extenders. If you're looking to elevate your handbag game, this is your go-to accessory. Imported with precision, these purse extender chains are crafted from high-quality alloy. After undergoing a multi-layer electroplating process, they shine with a vibrant luster. The heart and moon charms are meticulously made using a dripping oil technique, adding an exquisite touch to your daily look. These extenders are not only smooth to the touch, but also gentle on your hands and shoulders. No scratches here. In terms of size, the heart-shaped extender measures approximately 6.6 inches, while the moon-shaped one is around 6.1 inches in total length. It's essential to check these dimensions to ensure a perfect fit for your needs. Designed to fit a range of bags, including coach bags, purses, handbags, and crossbody styles. These extenders are versatile and practical. Using these extenders is a breeze. The simple design features 2 buckles on each end, allowing for easy installation and adjustment. Whether you need to lengthen your bag chain or simply swap out a style, these extenders make the process effortless. Beyond functionality, these extenders serve as charming bag accessories. They can transform an ordinary bag into something special, adding both practicality and flair. Use them to customize your handbag or as a decorative touch to your backpack. The intricate design is sure to draw attention and admiration. Looking for the perfect gift? These purse strap extenders make a delightful present for friends, girlfriends, sisters, classmates, or mothers on birthdays, Christmas, Thanksgiving, and other special occasions. Enhance your bag's look and practicality with the Bag Extender Chain Purse Strap Extenders. They're not just an accessory, they're a statement. Number 7 on our countdown of top-selling purse-making products on Amazon is the leather straps replacement for handbags. If you're on the hunt for a versatile, stylish, and practical purse strap, look no further. Imported from China, these straps are crafted from high-quality PU leather. Why choose PU leather? It's softer and more breathable than microfiber leather, offering a luxurious feel while being eco-friendly and easy to maintain compared to genuine leather. One of the standout features of these straps is their adjustability. With a length that ranges from 41 to 47 inches, you have the flexibility to transform your bag into a crossbody style effortlessly. The strap width of 0.47 inches ensures a comfortable experience, even during extended use. These straps are perfect for a variety of DIY projects. Whether you're updating a handbag, crossbody bag, or purse, these straps provide a reliable and stylish alternative. The classic design, coupled with a wide range of over 10 popular colors, makes it easy to find the perfect match for your bag. Keep in mind there might be a slight color difference due to lighting, but each strap is designed to complement your style. Elevate your handbag game with the leather straps replacement. This accessory offers both functionality and flair, making it an essential addition to your purse-making toolkit. Number 6 on our countdown of top-selling purse-making products on Amazon is the mini copper purse chain shoulder crossbody strap. Don't let its size fool you. This chain is both compact and impressive. At 46 inches long, including the 2 clasps, this chain is the perfect length for a stylish crossbody strap. Despite its delicate appearance, it's incredibly solid and sturdy, proving that small doesn't mean fragile. Crafted from high-quality copper, this chain surpasses the durability of iron or other metals. Its smooth finish prevents snagging on hair or clothes, ensuring a seamless experience every time you use it. The classic flat O-shaped design offers a sophisticated touch, transforming your bag into a standout accessory. Available in 4 colors, this strap lets you match or contrast with your favorite bags, though lighting might cause slight color variations. Elevate your bag style with this mini copper purse chain, where elegance meets resilience in a perfectly compact package. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling purse-making products on Amazon? Well, don't let your creativity hang by a thread. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss a stitch. Number 5 in our countdown of the best-selling purse-making products on Amazon is the letter charms for Bogg bags. These aren't just charms. They're your personal touch to transform your bag into something uniquely yours. Featuring a clever insertion design, these letter charms slide effortlessly into your bag. With just a simple push, the buttons fit perfectly, making it easy to add, remove, or swap out charms. The special adhesive technology ensures these letters stay put, so you can flaunt your personalized style without worry. Imagine creating a special code or abbreviation, perhaps your initials or a loved one's name. These charms allow you to customize your bag with a personal touch or create a heartfelt gift for someone special. It's not just decoration, it's a unique signal and a romantic little secret, helping you easily spot your bag in a crowd. Fashion meets function with these letter accessories. Their classic white color and simple design make them versatile, complementing bags of various colors and styles. Sized perfectly for BOGG bags, they strike the right balance, neither too big nor too small. Crafted from high-quality, durable materials, these charms resist deformation and discoloration, ensuring long-term use. They're reusable and reliable, standing up to daily wear and environmental influences. Personalize your Bogg Bag, Beach Tote, or any favorite bag with these letter charms. Spell out your name, a motto, or any personal message, and create a unique look that highlights your individuality. With these charms, your bag becomes a true reflection of you. Number 4 in our countdown of top-selling purse-making products on Amazon is the leather straps for Longchamp Bag Conversion Kit. This essential accessory is perfect for upgrading your Longchamp Le Pliage or mini pouch, giving your bag a fresh new look and added functionality. Crafted from high-quality leather and durable hardware, these straps are designed to last. With a width of 0.47 inches and an adjustable length ranging from 37.4 to 48.8 inches, they offer versatility and comfort, ensuring a perfect fit for your crossbody or shoulder carrying needs. Transforming your Longchamp bag is a breeze. Simply attach the straps to the 2 D-rings on your handbag handles, and voila, your bag evolves into a chic crossbody or shoulder bag in seconds. The installation is effortless, and you don't have to worry about any damage to your bag. We stand by the quality of our product with a 30-day warranty. If you encounter any issues, or if the strap doesn't meet your expectations, we offer a full refund. Your satisfaction is our priority, so feel free to reach out with any questions. Elevate your Longchamp bag's style and functionality with this leather straps conversion kit. It's the perfect blend of practicality and elegance, designed to enhance your bag's versatility and your everyday experience. Coming in at number 3 in our top 10 countdown of best-selling purse-making products on Amazon is the RAPUDA Iron Replacement Flat Chain Set. This versatile collection offers 4 distinct sizes: 15.4 inches, 23.6 inches, 31.4 inches, and 47.2 inches, making it perfect for customizing any handbag, clutch, purse, or shoulder bag. Crafted from durable iron and finished with a sleek electroplated gold coating, these chains are built to last. They resist wear and tear and won't fade or rust even with extended use. The snap hook design ensures a secure fit. Simply click them on, and they'll stay in place without the risk of falling off. Comfort and functionality are key. Each chain, with its 0.3-inch width, alleviates shoulder pressure and is designed to be gentle on your skin. Plus, the thoughtfully wide holes prevent any unfortunate tangles with your hair. In this package, you'll receive 4 sizes of bag chains, giving you the flexibility to match different styles and needs. Whether you're updating an old favorite or crafting a new look, these chains provide the perfect blend of style and practicality. Elevate your purse game with the RAPUDA Iron Replacement Flat Chains, where durability meets elegance, and every bag transformation is just a snap away. At number 2 in our top 10 countdown of best-selling purse-making products on Amazon is the 4-pack replacement buttons for Bogg bags. This essential set is designed to breathe new life into your Bogg bag handles quickly and effortlessly. Lost or damaged handle buttons? No problem. With these premium replacement rivets, you can restore your Bogg bag in no time. Just press them into place where the old buttons used to be. It's a simple, cost-effective fix that requires no tools. Designed for compatibility with all Bogg bag models, including the OG, Bitty Bogg Bag, and Baby Bogg Bag, as well as similar beach totes. These rivets fit perfectly. Each pack contains 4 sets of replacement buttons, so you can repair all handle connections or keep a few extras on hand. Crafted to match the exact size of the original Bogg Bag rivets and made from high-quality materials, these buttons are built to last. They're not just for repairs. Use them to add a touch of personalization by attaching accessories, charms, or pouches to your Bogg Bag for a unique flair. Elevate your Bogg Bag's functionality and style with this easy-to-use, durable replacement button set. Make your tote look brand new and customize it to reflect your personality. Taking the top spot in our countdown of best-selling purse-making products on Amazon is the WEICHUAN 47/120cm DIY iron flat chain strap. This golden beauty stands out not only for its elegance, but also for its versatility and functionality. Imagine transforming your handbags, purses, clutches, and crossbody bags with a touch of classic sophistication. The WEICHUAN strap, with its 47-inch length and 0.4-inch width, provides a sturdy, stylish replacement for any bag. The rich gold color adds a touch of luxury, although keep in mind that slight variations in color may occur due to lighting. Crafted with high-quality metal buckles, this strap ensures a secure and reliable attachment. The buckles measure 3.3 centimeters, about 1.3 inches, and fit bag rings up to 6 mm, thick or smaller, making installation a breeze. Whether you choose to use it as a single crossbody strap or double it up as a shoulder strap, its versatility is unmatched. Weighing in at approximately 170 grams, 6 ounces, this chain offers a substantial feel. It's ideal for those who appreciate a touch of heft in their accessories. So, if you're looking to elevate your bag style while adding a bit of practicality, the WEICHUAN iron flat chain strap is the perfect choice. Make your bag truly stand out with this elegant, functional accessory. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling purse-making products on Amazon. To stay updated with the latest bestsellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.